Arduino Create is a great method to configure the up-squared board so you can quickly start experimenting with the sensors provided in the kit. But what happens when you're ready to move to a full-featured production IDE? We'll give you some tips in this episode. I'm Stephanie Essen. This is IDZ Weekly. Intel System Studio is the IDE of choice when developing IoT and gateway applications targeting Intel processors. It provides access to over 400 sensors, enhanced debugger workflows that automate tracing, additional libraries, code samples, and improved data compression and optimizations for small matrix multiplication. Getting your up-squared board configured for developing applications with Intel System Studio is easy. Just follow the steps in the article Beyond Arduino Create. The article also provides info on Intel System Studio dependencies, and it teaches you how to build and upload a sample program. To read the article, check out the provided links. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.